Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, March 25th, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord trading community linked at the end of this video down here in the corner. Also, don't forget to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to all the benefits listed below and more. So, anyways, the Aussie dollar is posting up very, very strong this morning. I mean, I am definitely still very bullish on the very high time frames. I still think this is an uptrend that is eventually, probably 6 months or more it's going to take, but eventually it's going to go up and take out these highs. So, I am very bullish on these higher time frames. I was thinking that because this right here was a higher high, that it would likely make a lower high for like an expanding flat. But if it's actually a regular flat, then a regular flat would be one, two, three waves down, one, two, three waves up, with a little bit of a higher high, usually around 105% of wave A. And then it definitely does have a five-wave structure down, and we are starting to get a break structure. So it definitely does resemble a 335 regular flat. Definitely breaking structure. Now, I now have my Fibonacci retracement on this move down right here because the fact that it made a higher low is a little concerning that it maybe it'll just go up to a fib level, double top and then potentially go back down to my lower targets. But with this break of structure, with how strong it is, I mean, be careful with assuming that it's going to go back down. All the higher time frames are definitely in an uptrend. There is definitely a possibility that it just goes up from here. So keep an eye on your fib levels. If you do get that double top, break of structure down at a fib level, then get out of your logs and potentially go short. If it just makes normal bounces, doesn't break structure, it just makes high, low, high, low, high, low, then hold on to your longs because the higher time frames are very likely going to continue to trend up probably for a very long time, probably 6 months, a year or more, to be honest with you. So, anyways, as always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you and happy trading.